Have you ever considered what truly makes us responsible for our choices and the consequences that follow? What allows us to say someone deserves a specific outcome, whether it is praise or punishment? Philosophically, free will is foundational to retributive justice because it posits that individuals must have genuinely chosen their actions to deserve any form of punishment. This means for retribution to be morally justifiable, the person being punished must have acted as a free moral agent. The core reason for this deep philosophical link lies in the concept of moral responsibility. Retribution, at its heart, is about just deserts, the idea that punishment should be proportionate to the wrongdoing and deserved by the offender. This desert is only meaningful if the individual could have chosen otherwise. If actions were predetermined, or if an individual lacked the capacity for genuine choice due to coercion or mental incapacity, then holding them morally culpable in a retributive sense becomes highly problematic. Understanding this link helps us critically evaluate justice systems and ethical arguments about punishment. When we assess a retributive claim, we implicitly ask whether the offender truly acted voluntarily. This perspective encourages us to look beyond just the harmful outcome and consider the mental state and capacities of the individual at the time of the offense. It also allows us to analyze how different philosophical positions on free will, such as determinism or libertarianism, would impact the legitimacy of retributive practices. This deep dive into free will and retribution also introduces us to complex concepts like compatibilism, which argues that free will and determinism can coexist, and hard determinism, which suggests free will is an illusion. The very foundation of our legal systems, particularly in their emphasis on mens rea, or the guilty mind, reflects this philosophical reliance on an individual's conscious and free intent to commit an act. It is not just about what happened, but crucially, about why and how it happened from the agent's perspective. Ultimately, recognizing the philosophical intertwining of free will and retribution enriches our understanding of moral accountability. It highlights that the justification for punishment is not merely about deterrence or societal protection, but profoundly connected to our belief in individual agency and the capacity for moral choice. This connection underscores the ethical complexities inherent in holding individuals responsible for their actions within any justice framework.